frog.
The turtle's using the leaf as a house.
Whoa!
Turtles are a little bit snappy, they are.
Hi guys, it's Sloth the Bear. Today we are at the Living Rainforest and it says welcome there. Yeah, let's go. And so we're going to see some very amazing animals. I heard there's like cute baby monkeys. Let's go. Blue frog. So snissy. Bad?
Yeah.
Those things.
What is that?
Pitcher plants.
The turtle's using the leaf as a house.
I made it.
You think they're piranhas?
Whoa! Turtle! How are they not killing each other? Are those turtles?
These are turtles, yeah.
Or those monsters? Dad,
No,
look
that's
at
a
that
turtle.
Bro, this fish is sus.
Whoa, that's a great picture.
My camera quality's bad.
There's a stingray in here somewhere.
There it is. It's moved! Turtle!
And the stingray's over here.
No, I couldn't see the turtle! I couldn't see the turtle! Look at the smile!
So sweet, isn't it?
You know, Dad, how a stingray hurts?
Oh.
It whips its tail at you.
Be very careful with the turtles. Turtles are a little bit snappy, they are.
Oh, those snapping turtles.
See, all turtles snap, but these aren't snapping turtles, no.
What do you have for now?
So that's the food, that's the... Oh, see, he's got one. He's stolen one.
Oh, these guys are hungry, they want more.
I don't think they're hungry, I think they're just greedy.
What's greedy?
Greedy, gluttonous.
Are they greedy?
They are.
Look how smiley he is. Thanks for booking this.
What have you found, no?
Tortoise.
What?
Tortoise.
Oh,
I heard
tortoise.
somebody talking about sloths.
Really? Are they sloths, yeah?
Look like Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley. Nice hair. Nah, he doesn't look like Elvis. He looks like a punk. I think you'd hit the camera if he gets mad.
I love your hairdo, dude.
I think he does mind.
That's such a cool hairdo.
Dad, make eye contact with the crocodile.
Sitting really, really still for something that's real. Looks like a statue, huh?
Wait, Dad, this is an emerald tree boa. It's a boa constrictor.
Sure, it's a beautiful colour, huh?
No, that's a boa constrictor. Oh, boa constrictor's poisonous.
No, they're not.
They're friendly.
What have you found?
This looks like that, but it's actually duckweed.
This is amazing, right?
I want to go ahead to the sloth.
This looks like it's so solid that you could walk on it.
Yeah.
These ducks are tiny, they're so beautiful.
There's
Look at
fish.
them.
Look, there's fish.
They look like what?
Their shells look like snails.
Snails.
That's your favourite, isn't it, right? Armadillo. Isn't that amazing? They kind of look like snails. No, look how cute he is. Aww. They look like
That's so
that.
sweet.
They look.
What on earth are all of these?
That snake shedding, giant butterfly. That's
What
giant.
is that?
That's a giant butterfly. And that's a spider.
What kind of spider is it?
Bird-eating spider. And that is a emperor scorpion.
Look how big these bugs are.
Comes from the Empire of Star Wars. True. They look amazing. Dad, we're on a helicopter. Do you hear that noise? That's
Yeah.
a helicopter. Drop from the helicopter. No. Time to drop from the helicopter. Okay. Fire! I think Kung Fu Panda should live here. Everybody's Kung Fu Panda. Weird and nice. Weird and nice. Go. Twins. What's up, guys? It's the Sloth the Bear. We're eating ice cream. Something really weird outside. What was it? Oh, snissies. So they actually put something in here, right? Oh, it actually smells like very nice.
What does it smell like?
Banana. Banana.
Vanilla?
It smells like banana ice cream.
Wow.
Oh! Too bad. 5.
Whoa, good one.
Dad, I've got 1 point. I found some for 50p. So you just take them and put them in your bag. Guys, that trip was amazing. Look, I got toys. He's very cute. Look at those. Bees. Dad, this smells amazing. Bye, guys. Bye.